I'm Caitlin, and welcome to my horribly flipped house.
Welcome to part number 3 of I Live in a Horribly Flipped House. Today, I'm going to show you some really different accent walls. Let's go!
I'm down with a good trim paneling here. That's all fine and dandy. And actually, this wall looks all good. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. We know our shapes. And then what in the junior mint did you do here? 2 squares? Could we not figure out the measurements to keep it the same? Basic board and batten wall. And it's actually not hard. It's basic math. You spoons. Could you not have figured out a 1/2 inch to each square to make it all the same? How? Quick pause for an emotional interpretive dance. Thank you.
Well, now, hey there, partner. We may be in Beachland, but come in my basement and we're transported to Texas, where guns have more rights than women. What in the Sam hell is this? Come on in.
See? What is it, leaves? Balls? I don't know. These some big balls.
Probably a mistake to put the TP next to this cowboy-themed belt buckle. What the hell is that, you dinosaur? What is this? From a design perspective, I would have left that out.
Pulling these off the wall is going to cause me a lot of pain. Stay tuned for next time.